Oh. Tight. Oh. Gee. I brought the GoPro for no particular reason. Oh. It was in my case and I thought this is a jam.
How does a car with such high wheel clearance suddenly get so fucking like scrapey on the mud guards?
Because we're all heavy. That's what it is, bro.
I think we basically just got 3 fat guys in a car.
I like how this chair rocks back and forth. It really makes me safe.
Yes.
It makes me feel very secure.
Actually, the first time I put the chairs in this car, because the railing system's slightly fucked on this one. Like when I got it, it was slightly fucked. While I actually didn't put one of the rails on the driver's seat in properly, I definitely went arse over when I took off at a set of traffic lights.
Oh, gee. I have the wrong kind of hair for this shit.
Yeah.
Feel like one of them wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube mans.
Right now, with the 3 of us in the car, there's a bit of weight that the suspension's trying to hold up. And it's losing. Oh! Oh!
Is that tire ice now?
Yes! On the mudguard. Why is it just road so bouncy?
See, I forget that I'm a ginger and that your car doesn't have a top.
Well, it does have a top, it's just not up.
Well, that's the point. Right now, it doesn't have a top.
We're in the drop top.
Yeah, bro. You gotta drop the top.
On a day...
You
on
can't
a day
stop
like
the drop
this,
top, bro.
On a day like this, oh fuck yeah, the roof needs to be off.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Like,
I need to get some sun anyway.
Yeah.
Sunburn, I mean.
Enjoy the vitamin D. Just let the D in.
I get my vitamin D in 5 seconds of sun. That's my genes. That's what I am right there.
Yeah, I was waiting for it.
Brisbane grass.
On it.
I hope you find this event.
I actually think I take it as a compliment more these
So
days.
what
So
do we-
the next question is, before I put that brace back on,
We're missing a brace?
I'm missing a brace.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah.
You know what, to be honest with you, it might not even be a bad thing to leave the brace off and
I know,
just get
that's
some more
what I'm
vibration.
What parts have you got on there? What bell?
Buck commercial bell on a Con 36B.
Solid, yeah.
It's on there now, yeah.
I'm happy with
You've
that.
got a little bit of room to play with too.
That high G was sick.
Yeah.
Schwick.
So we got 4 octaves covered, so it's fine.
Yeah. That'll do it. Oh.
Oh, the coconut champagne.
I can't quite get the double C yet.
Yeah, easy.
Not on cold chops.
That's gonna sound fucking ripping today.
Yeah, bro.
What do you got? You got to play today, have you?
Yeah, I got big band rehearsal with Tristan. We got Bullhorn tonight. What are your pedals like? Mate, on this mouthpiece, the fact that I can even hit a pedal tone is impressive enough.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Must be good. And also put the left freak on. It's weird.
It takes some getting used to.
Not sure how I am on the valves.
Yeah,
It's a
the
lot of
valves. The valves, I'm gonna have to spend some time working with. I know. That's why I'm gonna work on the valves.
Yeah, the old squishy.
Springs are right. Well, because that was actually a prototype. That was the actual one at 36 feet.
C sharp or a very sharp C.
Oh god.
You got up there, man.
Oh.
Tight. Oh. Gee. The harmonics in that shit was just so.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Put the camera on myself.
Today, man.
That was so good. That's.
You do you go,
Oi! Shh, for a second.
Sorry.
Classic trumpet players getting told off by the shop owner.
Right, resume.
Good thing is, he tells us to start again. That's nice. Yeah.
Ah, fuck it. Sick.
Fuck yeah. Sounds great, man. How does it do with quiet jazz shit? Can you put another mouthpiece in there? And
I don't have any of my jazz pieces here, but like, you know.
I got a 3C now. Or the manette.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not the same as my keyboard, but
oh, fluff.
yeah. Yeah, I noticed the same thing when I played. It was really soft.
Yeah, if you back it off,
Yeah,
you can get it like.
you can be super quiet with that horn. Which is nice.
If you go loud on it, I'm sure it'll still brighten the fuck.
Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. Yeah. Slap. It goes far. Travels.
Well, yeah, because it's such an efficient setup. That's why I dig it. I love the sound of that Bach commercial. It sounded great, but it was too much work. And that's just the best of both worlds.
Yeah, man. This thing sounds like it's versatile.
Yeah.
And I like how like open wrap it is.
Mm.
That was a false
Bad.
pedal.
Yeah, but that's a vibe. It's the only way I play my pedals.
Yeah.
Rip your top of the butt.
Drop that head down.
It definitely doesn't sit quite the same way.
Fucking heavy as well.
And that's the lightweight version.
Goddamn. Woo.
But yeah, once you get used to where the slots are, like that's why that G is so easy to find. It takes no effort.
Shout out to Brass Music Specialists for the sick combination work. Yeah, like that's clean as shit.
They made that look tasty.
Yeah.
They even made the bell look like it actually almost belongs on that horn.
Yeah, it's like a sick multicolored trim, you know? It's got like gold and all this various stuff.
Tricolore.
Fuck yeah. Yeah, nice.
Is that the old belt?
Yeah, so that's the difference to the bells.
Oof. Yeah, the size difference.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah. Dude. Shoehorns in your mouth.
Can you make us a little attachment just to be able to put that on?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Will. Yeah. Do you
Yeah,
want me to
just-
send that out if you're going to drink out of it?
Fuck yeah. It's like a mini yard glass. I love that. Okay, shout out to Brass Music Specialists, right? Fucking nailed this build.
Yes.
That's sick. That sounds awesome and is in tune and is a weird request by Zach. So good on you. Good on you, Brass. And then he offers to clean us the bloody old old bell so we can drink out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah.
It's got a nice low fluff.
What do you guys think? Like, do you find that, like, the reason I like that kind of setup is I find the slots are predictable.
Yeah.
Like, what do you guys kind of think? Do you find it's easy? Like, you can kind of just think of the note and it's pretty simple to find it?
Yeah, but like it takes a bit of adjustment.
Yeah.
Fuck, that's worse than those fucking alarms that you hear in stores. It almost kind of triggered me because that's exactly how my work alarm sounded.
Yeah, like, even down there, it's still bright.
Yeah.
I'm amazed how you play that bottom half sharp on that mouthpiece.
Yeah, that's fucked. That's ridiculous. Give me a try. I
Yeah.
want to try. I'll
Do
see.
you want a camera feed?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put my finger in front of it because I'm a noob.
Yeah, it's hard if you don't change your embouchure.
Yeah.
Clip, yeah. Yeah, too much air.
Fucks it up.
It does.
Give that a try, yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, I hate this bit.
Taste it. No pedals. There's no pedals in there, man.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
On that bottom, like that embouchure I use at that bottom does not work though.
No, it's
No.
like, yeah, you also like that.
Ridiculous.
That shit's fucked. Alright, we better get out of there here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta work.
Shit.
You need to push in a bit.
I wonder how much that repair bill is, eh? Damn.
Unrepairable.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Do you reckon he needs to push in a bit? He's a bit flat.
Yeah, definitely.
Hi everyone, Jake here. I just want to thank Brisbane Music Specialists for having us along and letting us do this.
That's silly.
As you can tell, everyone at Brass Music Specialists in Brisbane is a lovely personality ready to help you out. And I don't even need to be sponsored by them to say that. So there you go. Hit up Brass Music Specialists over at Graceville, right across from the station.
Played it up with horns there, Zach. Nice.
We were going up with you up to
Oh, we had that fucking empty chair gig.
yeah,
I remember
and it
that.
fucking struggled up the hill.
Man, he was not having that fucking hill up to swim
And then on the way back, it was like you had to have
Yes.
You had a choice between using the gears or the brakes to brake, and you were just like, fuck it, use the gears.
I think we coasted down in second gear. It was a pretty good time. Really fucking loud.
Yeah, it was. I remember my jacket almost blowing out of the fucking car as well.
Yep.
In fact, where's my jumper?